That's crazy.
Ricky Blue 82, what I do, Scooby-Doo, like a Jew, fondue, barbecue.
Okay, so I bought these wheels for Matthew, and then when I got home, Michael said, "Where's my wheels?" So then I had to go back and get some for Mike's truck. Just picked up Mike's tires. Yesterday I got Matthew's tires, and yesterday I got Michael's wheels. The wheels in the back of the truck are Michael's wheels, and I bought him rims yesterday, and I bought wheels for Matt yesterday. So now we're just gonna look for a tire shop that can do all the work. See you guys there. Trucks are home and wheels are on. They are 275 60 20s. And this truck has the front end leveling kit as well. So the tires make the truck even taller. Looks really good. The big difference is the Ram. The Ram had 17s. They're right there. Now it has 20s, and it had a front end lift. Plus the tires are big. So when I bought the truck, this plastic here was like right here. It was so low. Now the truck is sitting pretty high. Mike cleaned them up and he's gonna put them up for sale. I think he's selling them for like 150 bucks. I don't know. And my truck is next. I want to put these tires on my truck. Thanks for watching the video.